的第一场比赛。
Here we go。
第一场比赛，中国队输了，在迷路、故障、混乱之中，澳大利亚车队靠协作拿下了20分的领先，但比赛才刚刚开始。欢迎来到中澳越野挑战赛第2场，森林防火塔公益载重穿越。两队化身大兴安岭的运输员，单车满载重量有500公斤的20袋大米，以及电源、柴暖等物资，冲向5公里外的森林防火塔。由一名队员登上防火塔塔顶，与守塔人握手，任务才算完成。用时最短的队伍将赢得胜利。1987年5月6日，一场意外大火夺走了漠河211条生命，焚毁了101万公顷森林，这是建国以来最严重的森林火灾，也成为了漠河永远无法抹去的伤痛。也正是这场灾难造就了森林守塔人这一职业。每到防火季，他们离开家人，独自驻守塔上，日复一日的瞭望、巡逻、检查火情。本次比赛，我们特别邀请了来自漠河的胡玉鹏师傅，他已经有15年的守塔经验，是这片森林真正的守护者。
这上塔工作都10多年了，他家工作现在30多天，最长的在山上待了6个多月，只7个月。冬天前回家，这就是我的半拉家，一半在这儿，一半在家。
抵达防火塔的雪路困难重重，之前拍摄组踩线时频频陷车，最终也只能徒步抵达塔底。也就是说，比赛中谁能把车辆开得更接近防火塔，谁就掌握了先机。小袁终于康复归队，中国队依旧选择雪后的猛禽。前一天推雪太猛，车辆做了简单维修后再次上阵，而澳洲队这边却遇到了麻烦，烈马的避震弹簧塌陷，其他的车辆载重能力又有限。关键时刻，中国队把江陵大道柴油版皮卡借给了对手，让比赛得以顺利继续。
We can give you guys a pickup.
Which one? 大道。
谢谢，亲爱的。We had a quick chat to the organisers and we just said this Bronco is not designed to carry 300 or 400 kilos in the back, plus 5 people. Like it's just the suspension's too soft. It's a good car. Like it's definitely a better option than the Bronco was. Yeah, so we appreciate the Chinese lending it to us.
So, who's gonna do first?
This one?
1, 2, 3. 加油！啊，有为
2, 3, yeah! 1, 2, 3.
First or second one?
Second.
Second, OK， 那这样比赛就准备正式开始，加油！现在我们中国队已经准备就绪了啊！现在是1点26分，你们准备好了吗？准备好了。3、2、1 ，Go！因为这是载重公益穿越，我们在起点1公里外为每队放置了总重500公斤的物资。队员们必须亲手搬运上车，然后才能出发。在寒冷的大东北，取暖的方式就是干点真体力活。
还有啥？1.2够了，
全了吧？
我们下车。
走。
好了吗？
你只要能够稳定在70，我们就胜券在握。
60都行。
胜券在握。对，他那个柴油的，他跑不起来，跑不起来。稳定情绪啊！
OK， 兄弟们，
相信你。
OK，
只要赢1分钟也是赢，没必要赢20分钟。
这个原地，我会加油的。
水温不要偏高，高温了是吧？高温了，歇一下，歇一下。挂 P 档，挂 P 档，歇一下。歇1分钟、2分钟，我们再走，不着急，他们赶不上来的这个速度。变相高温是吧？
没问题。
你等它歇好再走，因为上面据说需要的那个跑力更大。
通往防火塔的路开始爬坡，越往山顶积雪越厚，不断跑雪的猛禽因此触发了水温报警。
果然很厚啊，这雪。
对。注意水温了。
没有太大问题，上面平了。
P 档 P 档，歇
会儿。
现在水温多少啊？
水温102，还好。
我估计你降到95，咱们一口气就能上去。
趁中国队降水温的间隙，让我们再来好好认识一下澳洲队的海登。这场比赛仿佛就是为他量身打造的，因为他在澳洲的主要职业就是一名高空基站的维护人员。第一次走出澳洲就来到了中国，他对每个人都报以善意的微笑，而且对待比赛的态度极度认真。
Support vehicles parked about, let's say 500 meters down, so we've got a quick sprint to the support truck. We're going to park nice and close to the truck and pass the truck so the back of the ute is right where this rice is. So we've got to take 20 kilo bags of rice, climb the fire tower, give old mate a shake on the hand. The fastest one to do that, fastest team to do that is the winner.
好，好，动力 OK。东北辣饼
上来了！这个塔吗？
击中点，对，这个塔。上，快！
加油！加油！
此刻，小袁必须攀上接近10层楼高的防火塔，与胡师傅握手才能完成任务。
我看下面。
冬季寒风肆虐，塔身冰冷刺骨，要登上这样的高度，除了体力，更考验是过硬的心理素质。
我看下面，没事儿，一口气，加油！看上面，别看下面。我腿软了，给我硬起来！我快到了吗？快了！圆圆，你老牛了！哎，辛苦哎！好嘞，我到了，我好害怕！中国队牛
Hero!
哇！我们这一次一定能打败澳洲队！
You guys ready?
Yep.
Ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Come on! Shift this fucking ball.
Whoa.
虽然澳洲队有女队员哈尼，但搬运500公斤物资的速度，他们丝毫不落下风。
Watch your head. Go ahead, go. Go.
Okay.
Go. Come on. What the fuck?
Break.
What? Was not going in reverse. Come on.
Put on the brake. Put on the brake.
It is.
You're on the accelerator.
It's not doing anything.
Put on the brake. You're on the accelerator.
Parking, the parking.
Wait. Trust the brake. Okay, good. Stop.
In a couple of seconds. Good work, lad. Whew.
Get up, bud. Let's go.
Oh, that's slippery. Holy crap, if we make a mistake at this speed, we're in trouble.
You're doing great. Keep it up, Hayden.
Oh, come on. Go. Oh, no. Oh, I've lost everything. Come on. I've got no power. Just zero power.
That's right.
Just like it's... There's nothing.
All right. Hard right.
Oh, mate.
Yeah, hard right.
Yeah.
All right. Drop into low range. Yeah, put it in neutral.
如此的重量，再加上厚厚的积雪，还有对大倒车的不熟悉，给海登带来了真正的挑战。
Come on. Come on, piece of
Can't
crap.
get through, Locker.
Better go backwards.
Get a gear. That's it. Good job, Hayden. Good job. Good recovery.
这雪你看，这雪多厚！这把我必胜了，稳赢了，一雪前耻啊！
你这叫立功赎罪。
戴罪立功，今天我戴罪立功。
Go left.
Oh, come on. Come on, man. Are you serious or what? Oh, that was the worst corner ever. Just zero power. Oh, God. That is absolutely flat to the floor.
Slam the gun.
Come on, you piece of crap. Let's go.
It's all right, it's climbing.
It's not gonna make it. It's not gonna make it over that ridge. Come on, you piece of crap.
Come on.
No way. No.
All left and right.
I want 4 heights on it. I reckon. I need to give it. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! That's the end of our race. Fuck yeah. There's no way we're getting out of that. Absolutely no way.
再次陷车，这是澳洲队面临的又一考验。
Hard right.
从海东的神情上来看，他甚至产生了放弃的念头。
No, it's all over. We gotta either get them. There's nothing winch off, eh?
You got a gear?
Is that winch working? Yeah, man. But where are we gonna winch to?
Tree sideways, straight away.
Alright, let's do it.
A big tree sideways.
但在西蒙的带领下，他们没有退缩，开始了自救。
Out. Yeah, I'll pull it out. Where do you want to go to?
That tree right there, right around the base.
Fuck.
Flip it back on itself, hey?
Yep.
Get it right down as high as you can.
Yep.
That's it. Turn. All right, left towards me. Yep.
I might be able to straighten it up.
Back it up, left hand down. Keep going back. Forward towards me. Up.
Wing Chun! Wing Chun! Wing Chun! Jump in the car, jump in the car. God, what a hunk of crap this thing is.
Okay, then let's go.
Oh, come on.
大哥，冬天这儿应该有雪，着不了火，所以您是不是很少在这么冷的时候来到塔上呀？
对对对对。
哎呦，我们等澳洲团队都不知道多长时间了，这天都快黑了。你看给我们冻的，这都不算什么，再给我们看给我们导演组冻的都大嘚瑟了。Look， 我太冷了，现在等澳洲的，我一直在流鼻涕，你知道吗
Just keep it in first. Oh, come on. Mate. Come on.
最艰难的一段摆在眼前，冲向防火塔最后陡坡，让载重500公斤的大道车抵达极限。而此时，澳洲队做出了让所有人都惊讶的决定。
Let's go, honey. Let's go.
Is that working?
No.
哦，他们选择汽车了。澳洲队决定汽车徒步登上塔顶。
Glasses. Oh my God.
？You are the hero！
最后100米，澳洲队毅然弃车，为了完赛，在零下40度雪地中奔跑，奔向防火塔。我走上来我都觉得累，我这玩意儿要跑上去。
My team member is fighting. I have to fight too. I'm sorry, team. I need to stop, but I can't stop. They are there. They are still fighting. I have to go to.
加油，加油！
哎呀！
Okay. Simon, really a hug, a big hug.
Come on, back.
The bravest girl in the world. 我爱你，我爱你，我爱你。
他们开始自己完全不懂得穿一辆大道，因为他根本就不知道应该这么长王是怎么样能够把那车开上来。但是他们来到了我们中国最美的瞭望塔，跟我们的胡大哥握了手，真的很厉害，很厉害。全程很艰难，经历了很多的事情，但是唯独没有放弃。最后车上不来了，我们靠双脚也走到了我们的终点。太酷了，太酷了，太酷了 ，so cool。
Thank you. That's what we're at.
这可能是我们全世界最孤独的一个职业。我们的胡大哥是这儿瞭望塔的一个守林员，1年的时间，有半年的时间在这里看这个林子哪里有没有着火。
I'm sure many people rely on what you do, and it's a very important job. And I'm sure they are very thankful. And please, we have brought donations for you today, so to hopefully make it a little bit more comfortable.
这是一场打动人心的比赛，守塔人的孤独与坚守被看见。澳洲队的不放弃告诉我们，在极寒面前，车可以停下，但精神永远无法被击倒。冬季漠河下午4点，天色已完全暗下，黑暗让我们的下车变得更加困难。下山的路上，车队不断侧滑陷车，气温骤降，中澳两队组成联合救援队，上演极寒之夜的大逃亡。属于我们的比赛远未结束。当所有人都顶着刺骨寒风奋力下车救援时，而中国队的老大哥却神秘地消失在了冰冷的雪原中。
现在我有往外走。
不，我们现在其实
也许这是上市公司的需求，他要有这个题材。
有没有？
于总把这个给交给你。
现在我们先把这个。
他在笑，你看他在抖。
Oh, blister. We call him the blister.
Blister.
He turns up after.
再说在车里有2个美女陪着我，
He turns up after all the hard work's done.
哦，
He's sitting in the
他
car.
表现出强烈的嫉妒。
It's rockstar. Sitting in the car, nice and warm with the ladies.
Yeah.
We are the stupid ones. He's the smart one.
100%.
Hey, I'm getting in the car with the ladies.
Go, go, go!
Go.